Hello friends, today I am going to teach you round pillow cover cutting and stitching. The measurement is like this: length of pillow from center to center 33 inch, circumference of pillow is 32 inch. This is our round pillow and the length is measured like this from one center till the other. It comes 33 inch and its circumference is measured like this and it comes 32 inch. This is our fabric for round pillow cover. Fold it in 2 layers equal to half of circumference plus 1 inch for sewing seam. That is 32 divided by 2 is 16 and plus 1 inch makes it 17 inch. In length, take length plus 3 inch, mark it and make a line, that is 33 plus 3 is equal to 36 inch. Draw a straight line and cut it. Now cut it alongside and this will be our pillow cover cutting. In stitching, first firmly sew half inch at top from open side and after that leave 1.5 inch for cord insertion and sew it firmly. Again on the other side leave 1.5 inch and sew it firmly at the end. Like this we keep it open from here. And in the same way do on the other side. After stitching, now fold the open area like this on the wrong side and sew it alongside. Do the same on the other side. After that, fold 1.5 inch like this and again fold a bit from boundary and sew it along circumference. Do the same on the other side too. After completing this, I'll proceed further. Now take to the right side and insert cord with the help of a pencil or pen. After completing this, I'll upload a pic of it. If you like this video, then hit like button. And if you are new here, then subscribe for more such videos. In the next video, I'll teach you a new cutting or a new stitching in a simple way. Thank you.